Yes, guys, shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Now, today we'll see the scope of. Let me. Today's date is 13/9. Okay. So today we'll see the scope of where, let, and constant. Okay. So, like we know that how to declare any variable inside let, where, and constant. Okay, in a previous lecture. So today we'll see the how to define in the block or in a function. Okay, like what are the scope of this where, let, and constant. Okay. So
Yeah.
for instance, where we'll see here. So we can define globally here, global level, and also we can say functional level. Okay, for instance, like if I write like this, where a equal to high, for example. Okay, or instead of suppose, see, I just write one function here. Function here. Hello. Okay, now inside hello I write here some variable where a equal to high. Okay, and now I just write on here console.log variable, sorry, a. Now tell me the result. What result you will get?
Not work.
Hmm?
I think it will not work.
It will not work. Why?
We declare the variable inside the function.
Okay, because we have defined a inside the function block, correct?
Yeah.
And we are accessing it outside the function. So you mean to say it will not, it won't work, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think, Pamina? Is it fine? Is it correct?
I think, I think it will work.
It will work. So what would be the output?
I
Yes,
it will be high.
it will be higher. Okay, so we'll run this one. See, you got error here. Can you see? A is not defined. A is not defined, it's saying. So now you're writing inside this function, but you cannot access it outside, To get outside, you need to write define globally where A, suppose like this. Now see what is the result now. Now tell me, Gopi, what is the result now?
Now it will print.
It will print.
Inside
No.
function. It should be inside.
Femina, your voice is not clear,
No, it should be like
We have declared war 2 times.
yeah.
So first one is globally we define A here, and
Oh,
second
okay.
one we define inside this A.
Yeah.
So what would be the answer?
Hi.
Yeah. It will work.
Hi.
See, we get defined undefined here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Because we haven't defined na
Mm-hmm.
globally. We define something here, like for example, if I define something like buy. Okay, now I'm just, so I got buy here. Can you see? So this A outside this function, it takes the value which is defined globally. if I want to print this high, no, so I want to put this console.log a inside this function. Now see what happened. Now what do you think? I get result high and by, or by and high, or I only get the result by, not high.
High and by.
High and by. Which one is first?
First, I think.
High.
High.
High first.
Yeah.
Let me check. I got only by here, not high. Can you see?
We haven't called the function yet, no?
Exactly. We haven't called the function yet. Correct.
Yeah.
If I call the function, then what happened? Console dot suppose let sum equal to what? Hello, like this. I'm calling this function. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it correct? Writing calling function.
I know. That's
Now see again. I'm getting high, undefined, and by. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Undefined. So from where we I get this undefined here? If I, even though I'm getting the high here,
Is it from the console log dot sum? Console
wait,
dot log
line number
107.
107. Okay. So you mean to say I just give comment here and run it, correct?
Yeah.
Now high and by. Can you see?
Mm.
So I'm just calling this function inside some hello. So it will print here hello because console log hey we have in this. Okay. Clear?
Mm.
Any doubt?
no. Why was it showing like undefined?
Pardon?
Or like why was it showing undefined when we called the function? Like console.log.
Yeah, because we haven't defined return here. Return here.
Okay.
Again I showing this one. Again I'm showing. So why I'm getting this undefined here? Any idea?
Like the sum is not getting any value.
Sum is not getting any value.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if I just give commit here, okay. Now if I run this one, even though I put the return here, okay. Now I've run here. Now I'm getting high and by. So how this I is getting displayed here?
It's from the function itself there is a console dot.
Correct. But in case if I put comment here, then what happen? Only I get by here, not high.
Now the function is not calling.
Yeah, the function is not calling. The function is not calling, even though we are not getting any values here. If I put some values here, like A, B, something in that, so in that case I get the result. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can
For
we call that a function without using that let sum, like just hello bracket?
yeah, like this, no? I'll just remove hello to some correct?
Yeah.
Like this, hello. Yeah, see? Hi, bye.
Okay.
Just calling na function.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do we declare a variable just for a string? Like,
Pardon?
um, for I need to use a variable for string
Mm-hmm.
globally. So how will I declare just in blank string variable?
Okay, we'll check it out that one also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see here, this var a. Okay, I'm printing this by here, and in the function I return here again a and high. Okay, and I'm calling this one. I'm also calling this function here, so I'm getting this high and by. Okay, So the scope of this A is inside this function only, and the scope of this global is outside the function. It is clear now.
Yeah.
Okay, no doubt, correct?
Mm.
Now what I'll do, I'll write one if statement here. Suppose if 3 equal to 3 something like this. Now inside this curly braces, I write here where A equal to how are you, where A equal to how are you. Now tell me the result. You have this A variable by, again if condition, this is true, correct? 3 equal to 3 true.
Mm.
Inside this, if we have a variable A, how are you? Again the function we have hi console log. Again we calling this function. Okay, now console log A.
Mm.
So tell me the result here.
Hi, and how are you?
Hi and how are you?
Yeah.
Hi, first it will print hi, then how are you? What about this by?
It
Get
is.
re-
Yeah.
it will get replaced by that second time we declare it.
Okay, you mean to say the global A, which is declared globally, it is replaced by this A, correct?
Yeah, I think.
So you mean to say this also, this variable is also globally defined?
Mm,
You mean to say like that?
no, but like till like we get into the condition, right? Because it's true. So then,
Yeah, it is a, inside the curly braces, correct? So my question is, it is in the block or it is defined globally, like, or what is the result like? It is replaced by or not? Even though you will get the result high, will then because we are calling this high, correct? First answer is high, but the second one is like it will take how are you or by.
How are you? It
it
is
will,
redeclared.
yeah,
Yeah,
like for
yeah we read
it,
clearly, correct?
it will get into the condition, right? And then because it's true, it will
Yeah, it's a
get
true, correct. So what do you think, Femina?
yeah.
Ans-
It will,
ans- Answer
how are
is
you?
how are
Like
you?
hi, hi, and then yeah, how are you?
Okay, and what do you think? She right, Gopi?
Yeah. Hi, and how are you?
Hi and how are you? Okay, let me check. See, hi and how are you?
അതാണ് declare ചെയ്തത്.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Hi and how are you? I got the result here. Okay, now see here. Uh, don't you see this was the drawback because we define globally here,
Yeah,
and it's not taking the value of globally we define here. Don't you think that one?
Yeah.
yeah, there is.
Even though this if inside this if block whatever define no is auto function here. That is the reason it will display here because it is not inside the function. If it is inside the function now, it won't print outside, but it is a block of code. So, but it is in a what do we say? Uh, Not function level. It's a block level because it's a block level. So it like override the variable a which is defined globally. Okay. So this is like come to picture like we see let what happen if I use let instead of variable here. Let a. So I let a again let a. Now tell me the result.
Hi. Then don't allow us to redeclare. So I think hi
Hmm?
and there might be an error because let
Yeah.
won't allow us to redeclare the variable.
Okay, we get the error. Okay, let me check. See, answer is high and by.
Yeah, it didn't allow to redeclare the.
Yeah, but it the scope. of all this is different, no? It is globally defined globally. It is inside this block and it is defined inside the function. The scope of all the variable is different, So now we have only one global here. Can you see? Let A. We define globally, no? The whatever be the you can say drawback of variable where okay q. So it is overcome by the let, because see when we define globally, so we get the result in globally also. So let take the value globally, it won't take the value inside this if condition. So that is it's a tricky one, always get confused like when defining let a in a functional level like or block level. So in variable, what happened in var case, it override this globally method, correct? We define in variable var a, so it override it. How are you? But in case of let, it won't override. It only print the global level. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yeah. So keep in mind this changes. So what is the scope of this let? Okay. And now suppose if I change to constant here, constant, const, const a, and this was a const a. This was also a const a. Now tell me the answer.
By
By only.
By
Yeah.
only by.
yeah.
Okay, let me check. High and by.
So inside the function, we can redeclare every variable.
Yeah, inside the function, redeclare the variable. Correct. The scope of every variable is different, no? So we're calling first function hello and then by. So if you see na constant and let having the same functions, constant and length is same, only the difference is like in let, like we can write like this, let equal to suppose 9. So we can redeclare this like uh, equal to suppose 10 like this, redeclare it, correct?
Yeah.
But we cannot do in constant. It's fixed value equal to 9, you cannot change to 10 equal to 10, it not work. Otherwise let and a constant are the same functions. Got it? So here a equal to 10 means what? It is declaring or initializing?
It's initializing.
Initializing, correct? Yeah, so we can initialize in let but not in const. But in where we can initialize, we can declare also, like we can where equal to 9, we can also initialize and declare where equal to 10 like this. But this one is not working in constant and let. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the points which I want to take you through. Any doubt? So let me know.
And then one with the string, like blank string.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Now I just finished my this concept. Then I'll answer your question. Okay, Gopi?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just wait a minute. Now what I'll do, for instance, like suppose I'm having let day equal to suppose I'm having Monday. I'll take one string. Okay, Monday. Now I want to check it out the length of this string. We have seen the length in a number, correct? What about a string? So what I'll do, console.log, I'll take like this, day dot length. Okay, now we'll check it out. What is the result now? I got the 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Yeah. Now again the same I have to do, like I have to slice something, Like let sub day equal to day dot slice. Okay, like 0 comma 4. If I write console dot log sub day. Now what is the answer? I am slicing, 0 to 4. So what is the answer for this one?
Zero to be till the
Yeah.
B U B T.
It will take the value 0 means Monday. It will print Monday, M O N
end.
D. It will print MOND. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Let me check. See MOND. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I want to take like this, console dot log and suppose day 1. If I write like this, so what is the answer for this?
Zero.
M.
M.
O.
Answer 0 or M.
Hola. O.
Oh,
Yeah.
because start with 0, no? And
Yeah.
yeah. So answer is 1. Who is right, Femina or Gopi?
FM.
Okay, Femina correct. Okay, now next is what? Suppose this one is slice. So I want to split something. So I'll just let split day equal to, suppose if I write day dot split. If I use split function here, suppose I write a split s, and again I write a console dot split day. Now tell me the answer here. I'll just comment it. I'm splitting, from this.
Yeah, but there's no S.
There's no s. Then what is the answer?
Yeah, so it will be Monday. Undefined or something.
Yes.
Blank might be.
See, I got Monday here. Can you see?
Yeah.
How? Why?
There's no S like this. The function is the transport.
Your voice is not clear, Femin. I'm not getting you.
No S in the word, so I mean
Mm-hmm.
it won't split.
Okay, if I write here M, then
Mm.
Then M would be separate and
And
O and
ONDA will be there.
see, you can see this. Can you see? M got separated here. You're splitting and you only on day. Okay, clear, no?
so M is not showing.
Yeah, M is, it's not, it's a split. It's split that M from
Oh,
this.
from M it would split away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. If I write here M and some different one like MY, sorry, M and Y. If I take two alphabet, first one is A, sorry, M, and last one is Y. I split this two. So what is the answer?
Actually, wouldn't it check like a single string?
Hmm. So
So
you
Monday.
you mean to say answer would be Monday, correct?
Yeah.
Because my word is not there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me check here. Yeah, correct. Now what I'll do, I'll split like this. I'll take like this. Now tell me.
ONDA by N. ONDA.
So if you remove M and Y, you will get Onde, Onda.
Uh,
Is it fine?
Yeah.
Is it working? Let me check. See, it's not working.
take only one argument.
There could be a one. If you see, click on this split, you can see here. Split a string into substring using the specified separator and return the same as an array. A string that defines character or characters to use in string if omitted a single element array containing the entire string is returned. Got it? So we can only use the single split, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. If I want to use A, then what happen? See, A is removed. Now clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'll do? Hmm. Okay. Now next is like now I'll take here one date. Suppose let date equal to uh, suppose 15. Okay, and the next date would be 20, and again I would let difference date equal to next date minus date. Now console dot log different date. Now what is the answer for this one? My date is 15 and next date is 20, so I'm going to minus next date with the date. So what is the answer?
5.
5. Okay, 5. Okay, now assume that this is not a number, this one is string. Okay, now what is the answer? You're typing. Without typing, let me know.
I think it just print.
See, now this is not number, correct? Now it's treated
Yeah.
as a string.
Yeah.
So we cannot subtract string from a string. If I run, I'll get the answer like this. Okay, I'll just do one thing. Still, I'm getting this here 5. Can you see?
Yeah.
How is it possible? Even though I define it the string, I'm getting the value. If I take here, suppose 150, and if I save it and run it, so what is the answer? Minus 130. How I'll do? I'll just remove this, and I'll just put here 120 here. Now check it out. Now I'm getting answer 70 here. See, even though it's treating as string, correct? But actually it is getting minus here. Any logic behind this?
The data is still stored as a string, but it can perform missions.
Okay, for example, if I take another data, like for example, if I take let date equal to suppose 30, and let like date 1 I'll take, and next date 1 equal to, suppose if I write here 40, I'll just give comment. Now again I'm writing here, let if date 1 equal to this one minus date 1. Now console dot log. See, again I am getting 10 value here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you see now, like we have a method, like we cannot subtract this string from a string. Okay, so what we'll do in that case, we'll do the parse string. I'll just remove this one. What I'll do, I'll just write down the parse int. So I'm converting this string to integer. Now check it out, the answer 70. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the like basic idea, like you can convert this string into integer using parse int. Okay, now if you want to change to integer to string, so you can use toString method. Let date 1 equal to what? You can define like diff date toString dot to string. It will convert integer to string. Okay, now I'll just check it out result. What result I'm getting here? Any guess? If I convert this to integer, see, I'm getting function to string method here. Now tell me, Gopi, what is your question like
Yeah, mine was.
regarding the string?
We need to declare a variable outside of the function if we have to access it globally, no?
Okay, do one thing. Just share your screen and let me know, because I'm not getting exactly.
It's not in the in my screen actually. Just a doubt at that time you showed.
Are you sharing?
No, it's not in screen actually. I just have a doubt that in the earlier part of the class,
Yeah.
like first,
So tell me what you are trying to explain.
how to declare an variable with blank string, like just string,
Blank screen.
blank string. Like we declare an blank array, no? To
Like
use to be used.
you mean to say like this, blank string like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If
Then we have used it in function.
okay, like if you mean to say I use some function here, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, inside a function like for example, if I use some function here, hello
Yeah.
or hello one. Okay, now inside the function I fire at blank equal to this was like this, correct?
And
Now
the I had a question like if we are declaring it outside of the function like var blank string like that,
for blank string, yeah.
and can I reassign it inside the function and print it out?
This one is also blank.
No, inside I am giving something to that variable
Oh, what
with
should tell me?
like something hello, hi, the
Okay,
string only itself.
okay, okay. Suppose hi. Okay, and this string is blank.
Yeah, and inside that there is no let, just reassigning the value, like blank string equal to
Where?
inside 114. Just remove that let. Yeah,
Okay, okay. I'm removing it. Okay, now.
yeah. If I print it, will the high come over the?
Okay, so where is the console.log? Or inside the function or outside the function?
I need to print that high. That's my question.
Okay, you need to print that hi, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do? You just write on console.log here, and you just call the function here. Hello one. Now see what happened. Is it spelling is correct? Yeah, console.log. No. See hi. Got it, Gopi?
Yeah, uh, if I put the console.log way outside of that uh, function, then
It okay. Below hello.
yeah,
Now you get the answer higher.
yeah. But when we did the previous exercise, like in the starting of the day,
Hmm.
it was accessing like this. It was not
Because
print.
because it trading the global, because see blank string is we're defining globally also, which is empty, correct?
Yeah.
Correct. So what happened? We have seen now it's override. Okay, this is also the function, not in the if block. Okay, but if I write something a here, suppose if I write a here, okay, not high. So see the result. Again, I am getting it higher, even though we define outside the function here. Still, I'm getting this higher, correct?
Yeah.
So why this one? And previously it is not working, correct? If I write down here where, I'm declaring where here, okay, and this one is empty, for example. Okay, now see what is the result now. See, I'm getting nothing here, empty. I'm getting here. It taking the globally.
Oh, we can declare the same variable as globally and locally inside the function.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And if we have to access the global function in
Hmm.
a global variable inside, we
Hmm.
just have to reassign it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Yeah. Now I
Yeah.
got it.
Now if I remove this fan blank here, I'm just running here. Now see the result. I got a higher.
Okay. Yeah.
Even though if I write here good morning, doesn't work for me. Even though it's defined globally.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Hi. Okay, but what happen if I use instead of where, if I use let? Then what happen?
Good morning itself will print, I think.
It will take you high. If I take here let, now good morning. Got it?
Yeah.
This is the difference. Here you are declaring it and assigning it. Here only you are assigning. So it override it, correct? In both the case, where and let. Even though the scope is different for both of them. So a little bit tricky. By practice, you can get the expertise in it. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about constant?
Good morning.
Good morning or error? What?
Error might be there. Yeah.
Because you cannot assign this same variable. It's constant. Got it?
Yes.
So if you say let and where working together, if you define like this. So I hope your doubt is clear now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do practice and whatever we have completed now in JavaScript, do practice with Cypress. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I give one assignment?
Yeah.
Yeah. See whatever we learned today, like using scope of all these three where, let, and constant. Do one assignment like convert to string or addition, multiplication, whatever you can do it and let me know tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah. Okay then we'll meet tomorrow then. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care. Yeah. Most welcome.